हेलो बच्चों, मैं हूँ मिस म्याऊ।
Crunch, crunch, crunch. Yellow is for sun. Shine, shine, shine. Green is for leaf. Sway, sway, sway. Blue is for sky. Fly, fly, fly. Purple is for grapes. Yum, yum, yum. Pink is for flower. Twirl, twirl, twirl. Brown is for tree. Grow, grow, grow. White is for cloud. Float, float, float. Black is for cat. Meow, meow, meow. The third line is for lemon. Zing, zing, zing. A navy is for ocean. Deep, deep, deep. Violet is for butterfly. Flap, flap, flap. The gray is for elephant. Stomp, stomp, stomp. Roll is for crown. Meow, meow, meow. The third line is for lemon. Zing, zing, zing. The navy is for ocean. Deep, deep, deep. Violet is for butterfly. Flap, flap, flap. The gray is for elephant. Stomp, stomp, stomp. Gold is for crown. Shine, shine, shine. The burger is for star. Sparkle, sparkle, sparkle. Peach is for fruit. Bite, bite, bite. Magenta is for paint. Splash, splash, splash. Cyan is for water. Splash, splash, splash. Cerulean is for fish. Swim, swim, swim. Beige is for sand. Soft, soft, soft. On ruby rose gold is for ring. Glow, glow, glow. A turquoise is for gem. Shine, shine, shine. Rainbow is for fun. Dance, dance, dance. A glitter is for magic. Twinkle, twinkle, twinkle. Colors, colors, 1, 2, 3. Sing the rainbow joyfully. Colors, colors, come and play. Let's learn 25 today.
प्यारे बच्चों, अगर वीडियो अच्छी लगी हो तो मिस म्याऊ के चैनल को लाइक और शेयर करना ना भूलना। और हाँ, सब्सक्राइब भी जरूर कर देना।